Hi, this is Karen with WTI. When my skin needs that extra help, I instantly turn on my NEWKEY light therapy mask. I usually start with the red light since it stimulates collagen production. And with the blue light, I really like to use a sheet mask underneath. So all the ingredients get really absorbed by the skin since the blue light helps to penetrate deep into your pores. And I really like the quality of the mask. The eye area is really well covered. It's the only area that it touches my skin. The rest of the mask doesn't touch my skin, and I really like that. And it comes with these 7 different colors for different skin situations. I really like that I can set the time of the therapy, also the intensity, and my hands are free so I can be working or either social media or replying to some emails. And I love the end results. And that's my point of view.